Please subscribe.
This is an electrical cable clamp that goes in my vulcanizer, and it's broken, and I can't find one that's exact fit or exactly like this one, so I'm going to weld it. Just been done welded, so I'm using the pliers to hold it. It's extremely hot right now, and I'm going to fit it, see how it looks, and this should last forever. The vulcanizer is an early 80s press, late 70s roughly, and that's how old this clamp roughly is, and it's hard to find and duplicate it like it. Here I'm just showing the connection. There's no weight bearing on this clamp, so it's just to hold the electrical line that you're seeing there. The hole on the left here is for a thermocouple. With my digital display, and the thermocouple will slide in there, and it takes the temperature of the plate. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.